Create a unique DIY lamp by attaching a string of decorative LED lights to a cluster of polished spoons. Cast a mesmerizing ambient glow in any room. The reflective surface of the spoons adds an elegant touch to your homemade lighting fixture. Transform an old vase into a stylish lamp by drilling a hole in the base for the lamp cord to pass through. Insert a lamp kit, add a stylish lampshade, and you'll have a one-of-a-kind lighting piece that brings new life to your vase and your space. Create a beautiful flower vase from used cardboard by cutting and folding it into your desired vase shape. Then cover it with decorative paper or paint for a personalized touch. This eco-friendly DIY project not only adds a unique flair to your decor, but also helps recycle materials. Add a charming ribbon decoration to your pen by securing a ribbon around the pen's body and tying it in a decorative bow at the top. This simple DIY touch can make your writing tools more stylish and personalized. Craft a cute cactus from cardboard by cutting out cactus shapes, painting them in vibrant green hues, and adding spiky details. These cardboard cacti make for charming and low-maintenance decorations that are perfect for adding a touch of desert-inspired decor to your space. A DIY easy leather bracelet is a simple and stylish craft project that involves making a bracelet from leather strips. To create one, you'll need leather strips, a closure, and basic jewelry tools. Cut and assemble the leather strips, add a closure, and you'll have a fashionable accessory in no time. DIY pearl hoop earrings are a stylish and personalized jewelry project. To make them, you'll need hoop earring findings and freshwater pearls. Thread the pearls onto the hoops in a design of your choice, securing them in place. These elegant accessories are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your look.